Hello, good afternoon and welcome. You're watching Times Now. I'm Sagarika Mitra and the top focus here on this newscast is the politics that's playing out in the state of Telangana. There are worldwide political developments in the state over the mass exodus from the opposition BRS to the ruling Congress party, and this has been hitting the headlines. Now, the latest development is the defection of another BRS MLA. We are talking about Gudem Mahipal Reddy, and he's the latest Neta to switch sides. With this, 10 MLAs of the BRS have changed their political loyalties over the last few weeks itself. Now, the last-ditch efforts are being made in the BRS to retain its MLAs and MLCs, and this seems to be falling flat. Now, let's not forget that currently the Congress is 74 MLAs strong in the Telangana Assembly. What is interesting here is that the Enforcement Directorate had earlier raided Mahipal Reddy in connection with an alleged mining scam, and this happened a few days back before he joined the Congress party. BJP is slamming the Congress, accusing it of misusing power and agencies to poach MLAs and MPs from the BRS. So the misuse of agencies charged to break parties at this point of time is being levelled by the Bharatiya Janata Party against the Congress in the state of Telangana.
10 BRS के विधायक, लगभग 6 MLC और एक राज्यसभा एमपी ने कांग्रेस पार्टी को ज्वाइन कर लिया है तेलंगाना में। कांग्रेस एजेंसीज का मिसयूज कर रही है, कांग्रेस जो है पैसों का मिसयूज कर रही है, वरना कौन सा लव एंड अफेक्शन है जिससे कि आधी रात को ये लोग जाकर कांग्रेस ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं। कांग्रेस के सिद्धांत और हाथी के दांत, खाने के अलग दिखाने के अलग, पर देखना अब इंडिया अलायंस इस पर कुछ नहीं बोलेगा। ये सब जो है सेकुलर जोड़ तोड़ है। ये कांग्रेस के दोहरे चरित्र और कांग्रेस के दोहरे रवैये की एक खुली किताब की तरह एक तस्वीर है।
Now, at the receiving end of all of this is the BRS. They are making all possible efforts to ensure that their MLAs do not cross over to the Congress party. The BRS today made a sensational charge against the Congress party in Telangana. Their working president, KT Rama Rao, went on to say that BRS MLAs are being offered more than 50 crore rupees to join the party, and this offer is being made by the Congress. He again went on to add that cash is being offered, and it is so high that it beats the collection of movies like RRR, Pushpa and Kalki. Let's listen into what he said.
सिद्धरामैया जी ने तो दाम लगा दिया कि 50 करोड़ है कांग्रेस एमएलए की दाम बीजेपी के हिसाब से, एंड दैट्स व्हाट सिद्धरामैया जी सेज। बट तेलंगाना में तो कलेक्शन और भी ज्यादा है। आरआर टैक्स यहाँ पे काफी ज्यादा कलेक्शन चल रहा है, ट्रिपल आर से भी ज्यादा कलेक्शन है, कल्की से भी ज्यादा कलेक्शन है, शायद पुष्पा और बाहुबली से भी ज्यादा कलेक्शन है। तो इसीलिए मैं मानता हूं कि जो काम बीजेपी एलिजिडली कर रही है कर्नाटक में, उससे कहीं ज्यादा तेलंगाना में आज कांग्रेस कर रही है। तो इसीलिए हम लोग पहले से कहते आ रहे हैं कि कांग्रेस और भाजपा दोनों में कोई ज्यादा फर्क नहीं है। जब कांग्रेस के साथ ये काम होता है, कोई उनके एमएलएस को लेता है, तो राहुल गांधी चिल्लाते हैं, गला फाड़ फाड़ के बोलते हैं कि ये तो मर्डर ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी है, ये तो गलत है, ऑपरेशन लोटस है।
So you heard what KTR said. He's turning the tables on the Congress party, and he's reminding the Congress of the claims made by their top leaders when leaders of the Congress switch over to the Bharatiya Janata Party. He said that all those who talk about murder of democracy are today trying to break his party, which is the BRS. Now, when you have the Congress reacting to these allegations, they are going on to say that the BJP is the last party to talk about the issue of poaching. The Congress goes on to say that if the BJP is in fact even commenting on this issue, they should look within. Congress leaders are also saying that they would welcome anyone to their party if they want to join their party on their own will. Let's listen in.
भाजपा तो ना बोले, सूप बोले तो बोले, चलनी बोले जिसमें 72 छेद। अरे किस राज्य में इन्होंने छोड़ा है, कहाँ इन्होंने नहीं कराया है? जहां तक हमारा सवाल है, अगर कोई स्वेच्छा से एक ऐसी पार्टी जिसका न नेतृत्व रहा न पार्टी रही, अगर वो कांग्रेस से में आना चाहते हैं तो उनका स्वागत है, पर हम पूरी तरह नियमावली का पालन करते हुए कार्रवाई करेंगे।
Now, these political developments are not usual switchovers. There is a bigger picture, viewers, and this time it is in the state of Telangana. The rate at which MLAs are migrating to from the BRS to the Congress, the BRS may lose its opposition status in the assembly very soon. Now, Congress needs 2/3 of the BRS MLAs or 26 out of 39 BRS MLAs to merge the legislature party. Now, this means K. Chandrasekhar Rao, the BRS party supremo, will lose his leader of the opposition post. And this is what is happening. We have Shomit joining us live. Shomit, non-stop defections from the BRS to the Congress party has in fact shown the kind of churn that's taking place in the state. Take us through the numbers as they stand as of now, because it is KTR who's going on to accuse the Congress this time of trying to murder democracy in the state of Telangana.
Well, that's right. Starting from BRS sitting MLA Danam Nagendar from the Hyderabad city to, several other districts MLAs of the sitting MLAs of the BRS party, they are joining into the Congress party, starting from, like I said, Danam Nagendar, Dr. Sanjay, Tellam Venkat Rao, Kale Yadaya, and Gudam Maipal Reddy, and several others. Like, after yesterday, Gudam Maipal Reddy from the, Patancheru constituency, he joined into the Congress party, and the number has gone up to 10. And actually, 39 is the the figure the BRS secured in the last assembly polls, and out of 119 assembly constituencies. And after later that, because one MLA has died due to unfortunate incident, because after the MLA has died, now they have the 38 figure, and because last by polls they have lost one figure, so lost one MLA. So now they have the 38, and they need if 2/3 of that figure, that is 26, if 26 of that figure goes into the Congress party, then the BRS will lose the status of opposition party, and at the same time KCR will also lose the status of leader of opposition. So basically, when we spoke to Batti Vikramarka, he exclusively spoke to us as deputy CM, and then the LOP, when the BRS was enrolled, he said that what happened to me as LOP, because he was stripped as LOP after 2/3 of the MLAs of the Congress party joined into the BRS at that time. So he said that what happened to me as LOP will happen to KCR as LOP. So that clearly means that they are even, Shabbir Ali, former union minister and also government advisor, he even openly speaking to Times Now has said that 2/3 MLAs of the Congress party, they will be joining, 2/3 MLAs of the BRS party will be joining into the Congress party. That will happen very soon.
Now,
already 10 number we are seeing, 10 MLAs.
50 crore plus charge that has been made by KTR. Tell us about that, because KTR goes on to say that MLAs of his party, that is the BRS, are being offered more than 50 crore rupees by the Congress to switch over. What's the truth in these allegations?
Well, yes, I'm coming to that. So, after this, after MLAs joining into the Congress party back to back, today, KTR has responded on this matter, and he spoke to, he even met the speaker, Telangana speaker, and has submitted 10, petitions demanding that these 10 MLAs should be immediately, action should be taken, and these are defected MLAs, and they should be disqualified, is what KTR has said. And also at the same time, he has said that in Karnataka, Siddaramaiah has said that 50 crores is what BJP is offering to the Congress MLAs to defect the Congress and join into the BJP. Right. So here in Telangana, the figure is much higher than 50 crores because the collection, is much higher than RRR, the movie, because highest grosser ever, and also one of the highest grossers ever. So RRR and also Pushpa, Kalki movie, recently Prabhas, movie which was released. So the collection is very high than that. So they are offering huge money to the BRS MLAs to join into the BRS party. Is what KTR has
that story, Shomit, because with each passing day, there is an activity taking place, and this time it is the BRS that's accusing the Congress of trying to break its party completely. More and more MLAs and leaders from the BRS are switching over. That's going to be the top focus here on Times Now. Thank you so much for joining us.